Hey guys, what's up? It's the Electrical Code Coach, and this is the Code Book in 60 seconds. Today we find ourselves in Article 90, and we're going to be looking at code arrangement. So when we're in chapters 1 through 4, it's going to apply generally to all electrical installations. We have general, wiring and protection, wiring methods and materials, and equipment for general use. Then when we get into chapters 5 through 7, and this is a change that was new to the 17 but also carries over to the 2020, that now it's allowed to supplement and modify chapters 1 through 7. So if there's something in chapter 5 that contradicts something in chapter 3, while in chapter 5, this will supersede the chapter 3 wiring method. This is going to include special occupancies, special equipment, and special conditions. When we get to chapter 8, we're going to be dealing with communication systems. Chapter 9 is going to be our tables, and they're going to be used as a reference for us when we're testing or out in the field. And when we get down here to our annexes A through J, they're going to be for informational uses purposes only, and they're not mandatory. This is the Code Book in 60 seconds. Let's get to it.